When you're faced with the task of clearing out unwanted items or decluttering your home or business, choosing the right junk removal company in Austin is crucial. The process of junk removal can feel overwhelming, especially with the sheer volume of options available in the area. Whether you're cleaning out your garage, preparing for a move, or simply getting rid of old furniture, hiring a professional junk removal service can save you time, effort, and stress. But how do you know which company is right for you? Here's a comprehensive guide to help you make the best choice. Look for a licensed and insured company. Before anything else, you should always ensure that the junk removal company you choose is both licensed and insured. This is a basic but important step in protecting yourself and your property. A reputable company should be able to provide proof of both licensing and insurance, ensuring that if any accidents or damage occur during the removal process, you won't be held financially responsible. In Austin, there are plenty of junk removal services, but not all of them are reliable. A licensed company will adhere to local regulations, ensuring the job is done safely and correctly. Insurance gives you peace of mind, knowing that your home and the junk removal workers are covered in case of an unforeseen event. Consider the types of services offered. Junk removal services vary widely depending on the company. Some companies may specialize in specific types of junk, such as furniture removal, while others offer a broader range of services, including estate cleanouts, construction debris removal, and electronics recycling. It's important to find a company that can meet your specific needs. In Austin, many residents appreciate companies that focus on eco-friendly junk disposal practices. Companies that offer recycling services and donate usable items to charity are becoming increasingly popular. If environmental sustainability is important to you, look for companies that focus on diverting as much waste as possible from landfills. Check for transparent pricing. Pricing can vary significantly between junk removal companies, so it's essential to choose one that offers clear, upfront pricing with no hidden fees. Some companies charge by the volume of junk, while others may offer flat-rate pricing depending on the job. It's also a good idea to ask if there are any additional charges for things like hauling junk up flights of stairs or if there's an extra cost for disposal of hazardous materials. A reputable company will provide a free estimate and give you a clear understanding of what to expect in terms of costs before any work begins. Avoid companies that offer vague pricing or that try to upsell services after they've already started the job. Always get a written estimate and make sure it aligns with what was discussed during the initial consultation. Read customer reviews and testimonials. One of the best ways to gauge the reliability of a junk removal company is by checking customer reviews and testimonials. Websites like Google Reviews, Yelp, and the company's own website are good places to start. Reading about other customers' experiences can give you valuable insight into the company's professionalism, reliability, and customer service. Look for patterns in the reviews, both positive and negative. Were customers satisfied with the timeliness and efficiency of the service? Did the company's crew handle their belongings with care? Were there any hidden fees? Customer reviews can also help you identify companies that have a reputation for outstanding service or those that might not be up to standard. Evaluate customer service. The quality of customer service can make a big difference in your overall experience. When contacting junk removal companies, pay attention to how they communicate with you. Are they responsive to your calls and emails? Are they clear about the services they offer and the pricing? A company that is willing to take the time to explain the process, answer your questions, and address any concerns will likely be easier to work with throughout the job. Good customer service is a reflection of how much the company values your business. Look for companies that are professional, courteous, and show a commitment to making the process as smooth as possible. Check for availability and flexibility. Flexibility in scheduling is another important factor when selecting a junk removal company in Austin. Life can be unpredictable, and you may need junk removal services at short notice. A company with flexible scheduling options will be able to accommodate your timeline, whether it's during regular business hours or on weekends. Some companies also offer same-day or next-day services, which can be especially helpful if you have an urgent need. Be sure to check for availability when you inquire about the company's services. Ask about their disposal practices. Lastly, consider the company's disposal practices. Austin is known for its commitment to sustainability, so many junk removal services in the area are making efforts to reduce waste. Some companies even work with local charities and recycling centers to ensure that reusable or recyclable items don't end up in landfills. If sustainability is important to you, make sure the company you choose aligns with your values. Conclusion: choosing the right junk removal company in Austin doesn't have to be a daunting task. By focusing on factors such as licensing, insurance, services offered, pricing, customer reviews, and sustainability, you can ensure you select a company that meets your needs. With the right team on your side, you can quickly and easily clear out unwanted items, making your space clutter-free and stress-free.